Hello everyone, welcome to Unified Study. How are you all? Happy New Year. First of all, Happy New Year. I hope this New Year is going to be the successful New Year, the most beautiful New Year for you. Here in this New Year, your all dream will come true. I hope so. And in this session, we are going to cover each and every topic. Means here, whatever, wherever you are getting stuck. Those concepts I am going to cover. First of all, I will start with the theory of computation, TOC and compiler, where most of the students are getting stuck before exam, and it is the most scoring area of computer science. That's why here you have only 5 days, right? This is today is 1st January, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. This 5 days, if you are focusing like this opposite way, always I am preferring to go with backtracking way. This is the time when you can little bit revise your conceptual area like TOC, math, programming, DS algo. These are the 4 subjects of your unit. These are the most important 4 subjects where you are these are required mathematical concepts, right? So that's why here you can focus on now TOC, maths. Even also we will do here maths also. I am showing you here. All these concepts are repeating in your examination. This TOC questions and the math question, that is discrete math questions also. These questions with concept I am going to cover with you. First of all, we will do TOC because why? Because as there was so many requests was coming for TOC, because we have completed already. I took the revision for DBMS, computer architecture, operating system, software engineering, AI. These all the classes I was taking those all classes, and these classes are there in our channel. Don't miss those classes, okay? And when I got the request for TOC, I thought, okay, let's start today TOC. First of all, we will do, after that we will do maths. After that, if you have that much capability, if you are with me, then we will go for next topic, that is programming. Then after that, if you want to do, we can go for networking. As per your requirement, I will go ahead with one by one topic, okay? So without wasting time, let's start, and definitely believe yourself and stay tuned with me. Stay tuned with me till the last of this class. You have to be there with the last. Okay, chalo, let's start without wasting more time. Here, first of all, in TOC, I will tell you that what are the most important charts you have to do. Happy New Year to everyone. Most important chart of TOC, this is the first important chart. Yes. This is the first important chart, that is grammar, language and machine. 100% sure you are getting question from this chart, that is TOC chart. Grammar, language, machine, first of all you can see, remember that type 0 recursive, here regular is inside, highest one is recursive. After that recursive, this is recursive enumerable, recursive, CSL context sensitive, CFL context free, that is context free grammar is in 2 types, one is NCFL, another is DCFL. So NCFL is more powerful than DCFL. Here you can see the power. Turing machine is the highest one, then halting Turing machine, then linear bound automata, then NPDA, then DPDA, then finite automata. Finite automata is also 2 types. One is DFA, another is NFA. DFA and NFA power is same, but NPDA, DPDA power is different. The NPDA, DPDA power is not same here. Okay, and here you can see recursive and recursive enumerable together, it's calling that type 0 grammar. Then CSL is context sensitive grammar, then CFL and DCFL together context free grammar. Type 0 is always highest one, then type 0 is the superset, then type 1, then type 2, then type 3. This is very important chart for your exam. 100% sure you are getting question from here. Okay, must remember this. Yes. Now you can see this one, that how to identify regular, CFG, CSG. These three are most important one. How to identify regular? Whenever language is given to you, from the language you need to identify the grammar. Regular means there is only ordering, no comparison, and comparison is there means that is finite comparison. Because regular grammar, regular language, finite automata, it's not able to do, it is not able to do any comparison. If it is able to do comparison, then it is finite, not infinite comparison. Like if I here you can see a to the power n, b to the power n. If I am writing, it is a comparison where I am focusing on finite comparison. N is less or equals to 2, n is less or equals to 3, like that. And a star, b star, this is only ordering. Whenever you are coming to next one, that is DPDA and PDA. PDA, NCFL, CFL. CFL means here at a time one comparison and it should be in LIFO order. It is using stack. At a time one comparison, it is using stack. Okay. And it should be in LIFO order also. I will take the example. From the example, your classes, all the concept will be getting clear. Okay. Next one is CSG, context sensitive grammar or context sensitive language. Here more than one comparison it is able to do because it is using linear bound automata, LBA, that is more than one comparison. Here a to the power n, b to the power n, c to the power n, this type of language it is able to do. Here a to the power n, b to the power n, this type of language it is able to do, right? So this is the next important chart, how to identify DCFL and NCFL. What is the difference between DCFL and NCFL? NCFL means where push and pop is not clear. Means here CFL is doing with the stack. I will push the element like 3 A's are there, then 3 B's are there. I will push all 3 A, then I will compare with this B. This is the way it is going on. Okay. So here when it is clear, then it is called DCFL. When it is not clear, like you can see this language here, A, B, 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 A. Here is the partition. The partition is not clear. Where I have to push, where I have to pop. This is actually WWR. Means you are thinking it is a mirror here. Here it is the string and here it is the reverse of the string. Hope it is clear. Yes. Good. Next important chart for TOC. This is the next most important chart. 100% sure questions are coming from here. Maybe it is hiding behind me. You have to remember with this colorful chart. Just remember the exception. Just you have to remember the exception. Where regular is closed under all these operations. This is called causal property chart of theory of computation. Regular closed under all these operations. CFL closed only under, CFL is not closed where intersection, set difference and complement. DCFL is closed under only complement and intersection with regular and inverse homomorphism. Other than that, everywhere it is not closed. Only remember the exception. That is the easiest way to remember the closure property chart. CSL and recursive is not closed under homomorphism and substitution. And recursive is not closed under set difference and complement. This is the way you have to remember. It is 100% sure you are getting at least one question from this chart. Another chart is this one, how to identify grammar from the production rule. Sometimes they are giving production rule and from there you need to remember the grammar, what is the automata and the closure property together. This chart will help you to together remember everything. Okay. As you can see here, A implies A, or A implies small a capital B, means here it is actually either left linear or right linear. Means small letters are called terminal and capital letters are called variable. This type of production is only allowed here in regular. Whenever you are working with regular, only this type of production is allowed. And when you are coming to type 2, in type 2, here this type of production is allowed where it is the combination of terminal and variable. Here alpha implies beta. Here the main condition is that here always in the left hand side one variable will be allowed. But in the context sensitive there can be multiple variable. But condition is that right hand side, length of the right hand side should be greater than the length of the left hand side. Like this way you can identify the grammar. And recursive or type 0, there is no restriction. That's why it is called unrestricted grammar, where contains at least one non-terminal. This is only the restriction. Otherwise any other restriction is not there for this grammar. This is another important chart. Okay. Next one is decidability chart. It is another important chart. Whatever I am telling you in 10 minutes maybe, but this 10 minutes is actually your 90% of the TOC syllabus. Whatever I am telling you in this 10 minutes, okay, 90% of the TOC syllabus, 90% of the questions are coming from here. Here you can see the decidability chart. Again, remember with the exception. Regular is, and these problems are very, very important. These problems are very, very important. Here, W belongs to the language that is called membership problem, emptiness problem, completeness problem. Next one is equality problem, subset problem, intersection of two languages null or not. Next one is finite or not, that is finiteness. Next one, complement of a language is same with the language or not. Then intersection of two languages same type or not, and L is regular or not. These are the problems. Now here where it is decidable, regular is decidable under all. Simply remember that it is decidable under all. Here DCFL is undecidable under this two, that is where you are comparing two languages ultimately. L1 is a subset of L2, L1 intersection L2, this one. Okay. Okay. And here this one, you can go that like intersection of two languages same or not. Means you can see that in DCFL ultimately wherever you are comparing two languages, there it is undecidable. Like this way you can remember. Okay, I am coming to Shikha. Whatever you are asking question something, I am coming to you. CFL, here it is decidable under membership and emptiness, and here that is finite or not. Other than that all are undecidable. CSL and recursive both are same. Actually you can see it is decidable under membership and decidable under this two. Other than that all undecidable. And recursive enumerable is everywhere undecidable. Like this way if you remember, then you will never forget. Only exception. Only exception. Remember, only exception. Okay. Okay. Clear? शिखा, गुड आफ्टरनून. लास्ट 5 days में आपका कौन सा प्लेलिस्ट में फॉलो करे कि कंप्लीट सिलेबस कवर हो जाए? 5 days में तो सिलेबस कवर नहीं होगा यार, ये तो इम्प्रैक्टिकल बात है. But कौन सा playlist, what playlist you can follow, that is like I can tell you कि computer science there is 3 playlist. One is PYQs playlist, UGC NET PYQs playlist. One is that, this playlist is there, go to that playlist. Another playlist is there, rapid revision playlist, that rapid revision playlist, and another playlist is expected MCQ playlist. But in these 3 days you will be, in these 5 days you will be able to cover these all or not, I don't know, because in each and every playlist there are so many classes. If you are able to cover, that's fine. These 3 playlists are very important before your exam. Even also this class will be also added in rapid revision playlist. Okay, chalo. Next is compiler. Okay, when you are coming to compiler, the phases of the compiler, this is also a 100% syllabus, 100% sure you are getting. Okay, here you can see lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, intermediate code generation, machine independent optimizer, code generator, and machine dependent code optimizer. These are the phases. One by one, as you can see, these are the phases are there. Okay, and this phase is very important, the functionalities of each and every phase. First one, lexical analysis. First phase of the compiler design, which convert the source code into token. This is the main thing. Syntax analysis creates the syntax tree. Semantic analysis check the error of the source code, such as type compatibility, scopes constraints, ambiguous, like that. Intermediate code generation create the intermediate code between high level language and the machine language. Code optimization, why the optimization is required? Because here you can see this is called front end, means it is actually different for all the machine. After the machine independent code, this is can be independent, this is can be everywhere. Okay, that's why it is called, sometimes it is called front end and back end, like that. So code optimization is required because to quickly run the program, right? So improve the intermediate code by removing unnecessary code. This is optimization part. And finally the code generation, the compiler translate and optimize the intermediate code. This is the main functionalities of each and every compiler. What is a 100% sure topic? Always you are getting question from here. 100% sure, I am telling you. Next one topic is code optimization. Maybe you can expect question from here. There is different types of optimization technique. Machine independent optimization, this is. Loop optimization, that is code motion, loop unrolling and loop jamming. Code motion means reduce the evaluation frequency. Here you can get theory question. Code unrolling means execute less number of iteration. Loop jamming means combine the body of the two loop whenever sharing the same index. This is called jamming. Constant folding, replacing the value. Here constant propagation means replacing the value of expression during compile time. Strength reduction, replacing costly operation. I am taking the some example as you can understand. Here it is, here you can see this is the initial code and this is optimized code. Ultimately the redundant part you eliminate. This one is same, but here this one was redundant, that's why you can replace with only one. This is called peephole optimization. Here constant folding means you are giving 2 multiply 3, rather than that multiply this value and put the value. This is called constant folding. Unnecessarily you are not troubling compiler. You are doing the operation and you are putting the value. Unnecessarily you are not giving stress to the compiler. Strength reduction means costly operation, like whenever you are doing plus, that is this one, division and multiplication. Actually initial code is division, you are replacing with the shift. This is called the optimized code. This is called optimized code. Okay. Next important chart from TOC and compiler is this one. that is type of parser. Most important chart. 90% chance you can get question from here. Top down parser, bottom up parser. Top down parser is recursive descent, top here and LL1. Bottom up is LR parser and operator precedence parser. LR is LR0, SLR1, LALR1 and CLR1. This is the next important chart from where you are getting questions. Now I will ask you question. I don't know you are listening or not, and after that if you are doing mistake 100 times sit up, okay? साल के पहले दिन में अगर 100 टाइम्स सिट अप करना है तो करो, ठीक है? ऑल आर रेडी? चलो अभी आएगा तूफान. नाउ होगा ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग. आई गेव यू ऑल द ओवरव्यू टू रिवाइज ऑल द टॉपिक. नाउ चलो करो. Yes. Here, this is the regular expression given. Do this. The answer is coming. Very good. Option 2 is the correct answer. Definitely this is the first question. Here you can see, here you have to do this type of question. How? Here check what are the language, what are the strings you are generating here. A, after that B plus A whole star means it is not mandatory. So 1A is able to generate, then 1AB, then AA. Then after that A, after at least 1A, there are multiple things you can generate. This is the strings. Here you can generate 1A, you cannot generate because this is plus. At least AB, AA minimum. This one you are able to not generate. Here you are not able to generate A. Here you are able to generate B. You are not able to generate A. And after that, after AB, here multiple A's are possible. So from here only you can see which one is the superset. R is the superset. That's why LR is the superset. Then LS. Then LT. This is your answer. This type of question are very popular in your exam. Next question is this one. Just now I was telling you how to identify regular language and grammar and what are the relation between different types of grammar. Why I am telling you, as you can see that this is a question of August 2024 only. Every year they are asking question from this language grammar. Every year. It is 100% sure topic. Achha, those who are watching till now, if you did not subscribe, it will not ask you money. It will not cut money from your bank account, or it will not go to your home to take your everything, all the properties. To subscribe, it's not required anything. Just you have to click the button, right? So when you are getting some benefit from one channel, so always not only my channel, I will request support those channel, though from where you are getting the benefit. Try to subscribe. Okay. Chalo. Yes, subscription is very, very important because we want to increase our family. Here A and C is the correct answer. So all production rule are A implies X, B and A implies X. Just now I told you this is called, and here regular grammar are more powerful than context free. Not at all. Context free is more powerful. Here this is correct and this is not correct. So A and C is the correct answer. Very easy, right? Now tell me, what is this? Yes, good. Now tell me this one. Which of the following are a context-free language? Most popular. Multiple times they are asking question to identify context-free language. This is also 2024 question. This is also August 2024. Yes, answer is coming. Option 1 is the correct answer because as I told, CFL can do at a time one comparison and it should be in LIFO order. At a time one comparison, it should be in LIFO order. You can see here this plus is actually the comparison. Here actually it is not in LIFO order. Wi, here whenever you are doing Wi, then xj, then yk, then zl, and you are doing here I plus k equals to j plus l. Actually I is here, k is here, j is here, l is here. It is not in LIFO order. You need to change it in LIFO order. I and k you need to, I and j you need to put it together. That's why this expression you can change like that. I minus j equals to L minus K. Like this way if you are changing, then it will be in LIFO order. Means here it is NCFL, not only context free, here it is NCFL, because here push and pop is not clear, and here you have to do some change, after that you are able to do it. Although it is CFL, but here some extra effort you are putting, that's why it is NCFL. Here it is easy, I equals to j, and at a time one comparison. First I will compare these two, then I will compare these two, that's why it is possible. Here at a time more than one comparison, that's why it is not possible. Here also at a time more than one comparison, not possible. Here also at a time more than one comparison, not possible. Alright. So now tell me this one. Just now I told you the closure property chart is very important chart, right? You can see the question. I will show you the proof ki why this is important. When I am telling important means it is important. From last 5 years experience I am telling you that. It's 2025. I have started my career of teaching from 2020 January. January 2020 I have started career, and it's 2025. Last 5 years I am dealing with only UGC NET. I don't have any other work. I am not doing any PhD. I am not doing anywhere, any college job, anything. Completely I am focusing myself only in this analysis. UGC NET, UGC NET, UGC NET, computer science, computer science, computer science. From that experience I am telling you, this is important. Yes, as you can see, this one is definitely recursive. True, this is correct. Right, very good. Option 3 is correct. Those who are telling option 2, they are wrong. L1, L2 are context-free language. Which of the following is true about this one? Context-free, whenever you are doing context-free, then it is not possible regular. It's not possible regular. Okay. Here you can have confusion. It can be context-free also, because as both are context-free, it can be context-free not, because it is going to context-sensitive. It can go to context-sensitive language. So this is also correct. We can't say ki this is wrong. This is also correct. This is also correct. This is also correct. According to concept, both are correct. But they did not accept. In official answer key, they did not accept, but definitely this is also correct, because a to the power n, b to the power n, c to the power m, intersection of a to the power m, b to the power n, c to the power n, it is coming a to the power n, b to the power n, c to the power n, that is context sensitive. Okay, but always everything will be context sensitive not, as it is coming as a generalized approach. So generalized, that's why they are going with recursive enumerable, means this is the highest one. Anyhow, it will be recursive enumerable. That's why they are choosing this one. If you are going with a particular one, some of them can be context sensitive also. Ultimately, it is not closed under intersection. CFL is not closed under intersection. It can go to CSL or higher than one, higher than CSL. Recursive enumerable is the most highest one. That's why this option is the most preferable option. Okay, this is like half correct, you can say. Okay, so when this type of confusion are coming, always go for most preferable one. Now do this answer. Arrange the following language, read it and do it. Chomsky hierarchy. Just now I show you that circle. Which one is highest, which one is lowest? अच्छा भाई, यहाँ पे around 80 learners are live and 56 like. पैसा लगता है क्या? खाना लगता है क्या? Anyone is asking you to treat for restaurant? It will take like 10,000, 15,000 amount for you. Huh? To click in like button, it's not required any money, right? So why? इतना कंजूस क्यों है भाई? कंजूसी करके क्या होता है? हाँ? Regular language, first of all, then this is the answer definitely, right? Option 1 is the correct answer. Good. Now do this. This is the question on compiler design. Whenever you are coming to class now, first it is the entry. You have to click on and punch the card like that. You have to click on a like button. You have to click on subscribe button. Always remember, right? Someone is helping you, you can give a like. It's normal. Yeah. So syntax tree, using the syntax tree of the compiler design, definitely this is your answer, A, B, C. Here error handling is not the part of syntax tree. Just now we were telling, right? This is not the part. Next one, do this one. Do this one. Why I told that compiler phases are very, very important, you can see. Phases of the compiler are very, very important. Always questions are coming from here. Yes, very good. Option 2 is the correct answer. Definitely it is according to the stages. First one is definitely lexical, then after that syntax. So this is your correct answer. Very good. And now it is the DFA. Now here you can see this is a very interesting question. Very, very, very interesting question. Here you can see that it is also 2024 question, that is June 2024. Here I am zooming it little bit. This is your DFA. 2 DFAs are given to you. Now from these 2 DFAs you have to say it is accepting same language or not, it is accepting different language, or it is accepting what? Yes. Answers are coming. So both are equivalent here. You will tell me, ma'am, no, both are not equivalent. Whatever you are telling, it will be, whatever you are telling, it will be accepted here. First of all, you can say that here I can accept A, 1A. 1A is accepted here. Here also 1A is accepted. Here also 1A accepted. A multiple A star is accepted. A after that so many. Here also A after that so many star. Here also whatever you can say, anything, it will be accepted. So that's why these both are equivalent. Here you will be confused with BA. It is also accepted. Epsilon not accepted by B, right? Epsilon not accepted by B, not accepted by A also. Epsilon not accepted anywhere. You can tell me any language, anything. You can tell me anything, I will prove that. Okay, this is epsilon, you are thinking epsilon not accepted. Here also epsilon not accepted. Here also not accepted. Minimum 1A is required because this is your final state. Minimum 1A here also required, here also minimum 1A required. Epsilon not accepted anywhere. Anywhere it is not accepted. Okay. And other than that, everything AB, if you are thinking BA, here you are accepting B, after that ABA actually. Here you are accepting ABA. Here also you are accepting ABA. A, B, then again A. So ABA. Okay. Yes. Ma'am, C is also terminals. Final, this is the symbol of final state, right? So here two final states are there, B and C. Two final states are there. Here only one final states are there. C is not a input character. How you are telling A, B, C? C is not a input. Only here are two input, A and B. From where you are getting C? ABA, I already told you ABA. ABA is accepted here. Definitely ABA will be accepted. Always this confusion is coming to the student, and that's why I am proving that. ABA. Here you are getting A, then you are getting B, then again A. So it is accepted ABA. Here you are getting A, then B, then A. I am here. This is also final state. Two final states are there, right? There are two final states. That's why here also ABA accepted. Here only one final state, here only two final state. That's why everything, whatever it is accepting here, it will accept here also. Okay? So this type of questions are very popular question. Don't do mistake and please concentrate and think. Now do this question. Now do this one. Do this one. Maybe it is hiding behind me. Do it. The regular language and the context-free language, which is not correct here. Not correct. It is asking you not correct. Yes, answer is option C, definitely. It is asking you which one is not correct. Be careful about the not. Not is a trap. Okay, this is a trap of the examiner. Here both are closed under intersection operation. And here both closed under clean star. This is wrong. This is also wrong. Right? Yes. No, not A. C and D. This is not correct. Now this one is two times they ask this type of question from PDA. They will give you the states of PDA and from there they will ask you what type of language it is. In first 10 minutes, whatever chart I have given you, those charts must remember. Those are property chart, decidability chart, identifying language and grammar, which one is highest, which one is lowest. All these are most important, guys. You have to remember. Yeah. Yes. Here it is. How to identify, see that. Here this is using stack. This type of two question two times they ask. Here you need to see that Q0 is the state. From the Q0 state by taking A. Whenever only one A is coming, in the stack I am inserting 3A. On behalf of 1A, I am inserting 3 A's. Here 1A was already there. You don't think it is 4A. It is not 4A. Here this time it was stack empty. And this time only 1A was already present. You are getting another A. That's why here is 4A. Means per 1A you are inserting 3 A's here. Whenever you are doing B, getting B, you are doing pop operation. This is the symbol of pop operation. Lambda or epsilon means it is pop. So B means you are going to pop. Now see, pop will be at a time 1 only. So per 1A you are putting 3 A's. And whenever you are getting B, you will pop one element only. So what is this? Means if I am taking 1A and 3B, then only it is possible. Because for 1A in the stack I will insert 3B. Then when I am getting 1B, I am going to pop A. Another B I am going to pop A. Another B I am going to pop A. This is the language actually. means it is a to the power n, b to the power 3n. Per 1a there are 3 b's. Because per 1a you are going to push 3a, means 3 b's are required to compare with. That's why it is a to the power n, b to the power 3n. Now what will be this value, n greater than 0 or not? How to understand? Because here you can see epsilon is not accepted. If epsilon accepted, then n will be greater or equals to 0. Here epsilon not accepted. That's why it is only n greater than 0. Got it? Very popular question. 2 times they ask this type of question from PDA. Must revise. Next one you can see another question. Here is the another question. Do it. Arrange the following phases of compiler again. Compiler phases are most important. Yes, I know that you will do it. Yes, this is your answer definitely. Right. Here can you do this one? This type of question is also very popular question. That is this one. Can you do this one? Very popular. Yes. Here this is in the language these 3 are given, which is not accepted in L star. You have to make the combination by watching the one by one options only. You can match it. AB here, then AA here, then BAA from here, then AB here, then AA. I can do it, no problem. Here it is 2A, then 2A, then BAA, then A. It is also matching, no problem. But here whenever you are doing BAA, this is done. After that AA, this is done. After that AB, this is also done. Then AA, this is also done. Then last one is remaining AAB. I can't do it. AAB, it is not available here. That's why this is not possible. This type of matching also very popular. They are asking question. Okay. Yes. Now can you do this? Read question properly, then answer. Don't do hurry burry. Read question properly, then answer. Yes. Here you can see that here most of you will do mistake. It is the input. According to the input, you will see, okay, token lexical analysis. Most of you will do this mistake. C is with this one. This is not your answer, because which one is the input? Be careful. Be careful here. Input it is asking. So input means here in the syntax tree you are getting the input of lexical analyzer. Intermediate code generation, getting the input of code generator. Here taking token of stream is the, here whenever you are token of stream, that is syntax tree, and character stream you are getting no, here we did a mistake. Here we did a mistake. Syntax tree is the input of semantic, and intermediate is the input here, and this one token, this is the input, and this is the input. So that's why this is the answer. Be careful, read question properly. Otherwise, maximum chances there you will do mistake. Maximum chance. Acha, here 100 so I can expect. Here with your friends. Quickly call them to join the session. I did not went to picnic and others are doing picnic. I sent my daughter and husband, they are doing picnic. All Bengalis are doing picnic today. There is a group of our friends, 30 to 40 friends together are doing picnic last 5 years, every 1st January. I am the person who is active participant in that picnic. But this year I did not went. I told them no means no. I don't want to go. Because I have the responsibility of thousands of learners. So at least I can expect that yes, you will learn and you will crack the exam. Your success will be my picnic. Yeah, here your answer is definitely P plus 1 because the sum of the minimum and maximum number of final statement for a deterministic finite automata, minimum and maximum number of state. Minimum number of state will be 1, maximum number of state will be P. That's why it is P plus 1. This is the answer, right? Yes. Get the success, after that we will do picnic. We will celebrate our success together and our success meet, that will be a picnic. Right? We will do picnic in our success meet. After getting your success, definitely fill your form. And after that we will arrange a common place. In that common place you all will come together and we will do picnic. We will celebrate together. Right? Yes. Definitely. Your success is my happiness. Yeah, here answer is. Here which one is correct? Here remember one thing. Mealy and Moore machine. This is Mealy and Moore machine. Mealy and Moore machine is actually both are finite machine. It is with output. Both are working with output. Okay. That's why here Mealy and Moore both are finite machine with output. Mealy can be converted to Moore. Moore can be converted to Mealy. Okay. It is not a finite state. That is wrong. This is wrong. So here that's why A, B, C is the correct answer. Do this one. As a Mealy to Moore conversion, Moore to Mealy conversion, maybe question can be asked. This is I did not cover here, but paid learners, those who are paid learners, go to TOC folder. There it is Mealy Moore conversion. It's there. Okay, please do that. Raju, same question again and again you are. Yes, here is your answer. That is one purpose of using intermediate code compiler, increasing the chance of reusing. Very good. Now do this one. Do this one. Here actually both are same, because why? Whenever you are doing reverse, ultimately reverse means initial will be changed to final, final will be changed to initial. Okay, then after that in between it will be same, and transition will be reverse, means this transition is going to be reverse. Here you are getting reverse, here also you are getting reverse, here also you are getting reverse, here also you are getting reverse. So ultimately whatever it is accepted, this is also accepting same thing. That's why this is the correct answer. reverse of finite automata and the complement of finite automata is very, very important. Must do revision. How to do reverse, how to do complement. They can give you one like this type of diagram. From there they can ask you what is this language and what will be the reverse of the language, what will be the complement of the language. From here also easily 10 marks question can be framed. Anywhere 10 marks question can be framed, right? Yes. Complement and the reverse. Difference between complement and the reverse is very, very important. Must remember, complement means what? Complements means E star minus L. All possible one minus L. If I am asking you, just for example, tell me the A, then A plus B whole star, this is the language. What will be the complement of the language? Let me know in the comment section. And what will be the reverse of the language? This is the language given to you. A plus B whole star. What is the complement of the language and what is the reverse of this language? Very, very important. Can you tell me? Reverse and complement. Can you tell me? Anyone? Complement and reverse. Why I am not getting answer? It is starting with A. Complement means it will not start with A. It will not start with A. That is called complement. And reverse means it will end with A. That is the difference. Reverse will be end with A. That means here if I am doing reverse, it will be AB whole star then A. Complement means not start with A. Not start with A means it can be start with B also. It can be epsilon also. It can be epsilon also. It can be B also. It can be B after that anything also. These all are coming. Okay, that is the difference between reverse and complement. Remember that. Okay. Now do this. Which phase of the compiler check the grammar of programming? Even also in complement it can be end with B also. It can be start with B, end with B also. It can be B, A, B also. Everything is possible in complement. Okay. Yeah. Yes, very good. That is syntax analysis. Very good. Very good. Syntax analysis is the correct answer. Now do this one. The compiler of the high language run one machine produce the code of another machine is called what? Yes, this is called cross compiler. Multiple times this question repeated. Very important. Now do this. Consider the following statement. These are the statements here. Now tell me what will be the answer. Yes. Definitely option 4 is the correct answer. Very good. Option 4 is the correct answer because here the Turing machine accepts all input in palindrome possible. This is decidable. Always remember one thing. Turing machine means recursive enumerable, all are undecidable under Turing machine. That's why this is wrong. Okay, here this is undecidable, this is correct. Again, it is always recursive, this is correct, this is recursive enumerable. That's why this is wrong. Post correspondence is a undecidable problem, very popular problem. Multiple time question came from here. Remember this keyword. Post correspondence is undecidable one. Multiple time. Turing machine, recursive enumerable is always undecidable. That is the keyword. Remember. Now you can see another question from Turing machine. It is also another question from Turing machine. Transition of the function for the multi-tape Turing machine. No. Halting Turing machine is recursive. Halting Turing machine is recursive. Turing machine is recursive enumerable. Yes, so here you can see this is called the multi-tape Turing machine, and the delta, that is transition function, we have to define like this way. This is the definition of the Turing machine. Sometimes they are asking how many tuples are there, what are the meaning of the tuple. Each and every machine, finite automata, PDA, Turing machine, these three all are very, very important whenever you are doing it. The tuples, different tuples, what are the tuples and what are the meaning, how to do the transition. This is most important. Otherwise, whenever you are not doing transition, then from the transition when questions are coming, you can not do it. Indira, what I have to explain again? Like decidability chart, I already explained, right? Yes. So that's why here you can see this is the transition. This is the transition here. Now you can see another question from transition. This type of question you need to do. They will give you table, and from the table they will ask you what is the state or what is the language, like that. Yes, answers are coming. Very good, everyone. Option 2 is the correct answer. Very good, very good. Here, whenever you are doing this is Q0, epsilon and A, right? So Q0 epsilon means here whenever I am coming to Q0, by taking epsilon, I am coming to Q0 itself. Here the definition is very important. These all are the number of state. This is your input. This is delta. This is initial state. This is final state. Ultimately, Q3 is the final state. Your target will be how I am able to reach to Q3. How I am able to reach to Q3, that is my target. So from Q0, I am not going anywhere. From Q1, I am going to Q0 to epsilon, I am coming to Q1. Q1 by taking epsilon, again I am coming to Q2, right? Q2 by taking A, I am coming to Q2 and Q3. Q2 by taking A, I am coming to Q3, and this is the final state, and it is again another transition is there, right? That's why this is NFA. That's why this is epsilon NFA. Epsilon is accepted here, and by taking one input, you are going to multiple state. DFA means by taking one input, it will go to one state only. Here by taking one input, it is going to multiple state. That's why it is called NFA. And you can see here epsilon, epsilon, then A. I am going to Q3, that is my final state, means it is only A. What is the length of the string? That is 1. That's why answer is A here, right? Now do this. Clear? So are you getting bored? Are you feeling bored? Shall I continue or not? Yes. Which of the following are correct on the regular expression? Yes. Good. Here it is A, B, C is the correct answer. Because why this is? Here I will tell you the trick. Epsilon you can think, phi you can think in 0. Epsilon you can think as 1. This is the one thing. Yes. Phi you can think as 0. Epsilon you can think as 1. Here what it is? 0 plus L. L plus 0. Is it L? Yes. 1 dot L equals to L dot 1. Is it L? Yes. 0 dot L equals to L dot 0. Is it 0? Yes. 0 dot L equals to L dot 0. Is it L? No. This is the trick. This is the trick. Right? Epsilon is 0. Epsilon is 1. Phi is 0. Don't think it is correct. Actually, phi is null. And epsilon is length 0 string. Length 0 string, that is the actual meaning, but it is a trick. By using this trick you can solve this type of question very easily without any confusion. Indira, is it clear now? Yes. Now this is easy, right? You put 0 here and 1 here, then get the answer. Then you can confirmly say that, because 0 and 1 to you know very well. Yes or no? Right? Yeah. So now do this. Yeah. Very good. Now do this. After TOC we will go to the next topic. If you are those who will be with me, I have planned at least till 6 or 7. If I can continue. I took energy, I recharged myself and I came. Let's see how long we can continue. Yeah, what is the safest order while simplifying the context-free grammar? The safest order while simplifying the context-free grammar, that is this one. Here, elimination of epsilon production, unit production, and then useless symbol. This is the safest, right? So, this is, remember the steps. Now do it. While processing a string by LR parser, in which direction? Multiple time questions are coming from here. Multiple time you are getting question from here. Yes, this is left to right. LR. LR means left to right. Yes, very good. Now tell me. Now tell me, what is the answer? Yes. Here you can see this one. This one is the answer. Option 4. Here this is very good question. What is the minimum and maximum number in initial dead unreachable final state? So here first of all, minimum. If I am thinking about minimum, I have to do initial, then how many dead state, how many unreachable state, and how many final state. So minimum initial state will be 1. Dead state may not be there. Unreachable state may not be there. Final state 1. That is minimum. whenever you are going with maximum, initial minimum always will be 1, because always in finite automata initial state will be 1. Final state can be all are final state. It is like this type of finite automata also possible. Initial and final all are same, all are final. That's why n. And now how many date state and unreachable possible? That is n minus 1 date state and n minus 1 unreachable state is possible. Here, that's why this is your answer. Like this, initial and final is same, and after that all are like this type. It is all are unreachable state. Like that is also possible. Or here this is a date state. All are date state. So that's why n minus 1 unreachable and date state is possible. Now do this. The procedure of regular expression operator from the lowest to highest precedence is. What is the topic name, please? Means this is theory of computation and compiler. It is your unit 8. This is under unit 8, theory of computation and compiler. Yes, so here the precedence of the regular expression operators from the lowest to highest precedence, that is union, concatenation, then star. First union, lowest to highest. So highest one is star, lowest one is union. Okay. Acha Indira, may I know actually what is your status now? Means you are ongoing students or you are doing MSc, MCA, you are going to attempt first time? Means you are not able to understand, you are not able to identify also what it is. May I know the actual status where you are? This is grammar language. This is grammar and language. TOC and compiler is completely focusing on grammar and language. Regular grammar, CFL, recursive grammar, recursive enumerable language. Can you tell me your status? Means where you are exactly? Yes. So here consider the properties of recursive enumerable sets. These are the properties. Recursive enumerable is everywhere undecidable. This is also undecidable. This is also undecidable. This is also undecidable. So any one is not decidable. Now it is another type of question from where they will give you the production rule. From the production rule, you have to identify the language. Production rule, high chance in the gate multiple questions are coming like this. They are giving production rule. From there you have to identify the language. Can you tell me what is the answer for this? Yes. Here definitely option 1 is the correct answer, because why? It is the way how to identify the language. Go for the minimum string. S, you are getting A, B, B. From the A, this is the terminal, means A you can replace with lambda. B also you can replace with lambda. 1B. So ultimately 1B is the minimum string. Means here you can see whenever I am going with A to the power n, B to the power m, means it is A to the power 0, B to the power 1. It is possible. Number of B should be always greater than 1. But number of A can be equals to greater or equals to 0 also. That's why n can be greater or equals to 0. That is A to the power n. M cannot be, and M should be greater than N, because number of B should be number of greater than number of A. That's why M greater than N. This is your answer. This type of question is very popular. 99.99% chances there you will get this type of question, from where they are asking like gate questions. Paid learners, please revise those. This type of so many gate question we cover in the class. In your PDF it is there. Please revise once. It is very important for you. High chance you can get the questions. Okay. Acha, there is a New Year dhamaka. Those who definitely I will pray for you, and it's my always that yes, you should crack the exam this time only. If anyone is preparing new, means you started now only and you are going it for the trial, okay, first time, let's see how will be my exam, like that. And if you are planning that no, I want to attempt June exam very good way, 2025, I want to do my preparation from beginning, then for you we have already started, means we are going to start this course. This is Master in Computer Science. If you click on this course, it is going to be a 6-month course. I am going to start this class, most probably I am trying from 7th or 8th, because 6th is exam, 6th is computer science exam. 7th or 8th I will start the class, 7th or 8th January. Here this will be a 6-month course. In this 6-month course there are 3 plannings available, 6, 3 and 1 month. If you are going for 6 months, now there is the coupon available. The coupon is Success 25, SUCCESS, Success 2025. If you are applying this coupon, you will get here 25% discount. As you can see, after 25% discount, here you are getting 2250 rupees discount. After discount, you are getting it in this price, right? So this will be a good benefit. You are getting it in 6769. Ultimately you have to pay, because 20 rupees is extra charges is there for our some internet handling, means platform charges are there. So that is extra 20 rupees. After that you can get it in 6769. This offer will be very limited period offer. Okay. So if you are planning, definitely you can join, because from beginning only you can join, that will be better. It will be a complete new course. No old recording, no old classes. Completely new way I will teach here according to current pattern. Total new way, new types of questions, new pattern we will discuss. My target is within 3 to 4 months we will cover the complete syllabus with questions. Always my classes is with question, syllabus concept with question. And after that, next 2 to 2 months or 3 months, we will focus on only expected MCQ, more higher level MCQ, more higher level question. So I will request everyone, if you have any planning, try to join early. Please don't come to me at the end, like 1 month before, 20 days before, 10 days before. Now then you will ask me, ma'am, how to cover the syllabus. Please don't do that. If you have any planning, join early, start early, so that you can also learn. I can teach you also better way. Otherwise it is waste of time. Okay, 3-month option is also available. If you are planning, you can join. 3 month is also available, but for 3 month also offer is available, but 1 month coupon will not allow. Okay, chalo. Here now we are going to the next question. This is your next question. As you can see, this is very easy. This is very easy. That is type 0, type 1, type 2 and type 3. Monthly subscription is also there. 1 month, 3 month, 6 month. All options are there, but in monthly subscription, your coupon will not work. Coupon will work for 3 month and 6 month. Yes. So here A is 2, B is 3 because definitely type 0 is Turing machine. Type 1 is this, right? Definitely. Now can you tell me this one? Reduce grammar. Just one question was there, how to reduce the grammar. How to reduce the grammar. And this is the question ki where grammar is given and which one. Just like that minimal cover question. In the functional dependency they are asking minimal cover question. Just like that. Minimal cover type of question. No, that is only paper 2 computer science. Paper 1 you have to go separately. Paper 1 is also launched. Paper 1 Tulasi ma'am will take, that is separate course. It is only for paper 2. Yeah. So here definitely this is your answer. Here what I have to do, here which one I am able to reach, that is terminal. You can see by A you are able to reach to terminal, by C you are able to reach to terminal. Here you are not able to reach to terminal. So which production will be beneficial for me? This production is beneficial for me. Means A to CA, then A to A, then C to B. With this production I am able to reach to terminal. Means AB, I am getting this. That's why this is my reduced grammar, through which you are able to reach to terminal. That is your reduced grammar. So that's why it is your answer. Okay. Okay. Yes. No, Sharma, you can access the previous course, but it is a new course. So this new course you will be not able to access, because it was like that, right? Ki 1 year you can access the recording. New course you cannot access. Whatever previous course you have subscribed, that is for recording. It was clearly mentioned ki recording will be available, but upcoming live classes will be not available. WhatsApp me once, Sharma. WhatsApp me. I will check once. How can I help you? Okay. But normally you will be not able to access. Yes. So consider the following NPDA. Same type of question as I told that. This is same type of question. Here also you need to understand कि whenever Q0 by taking Z you are going to final state, means by taking epsilon, by taking lambda, you are able to reach to QF. Means it is accepting epsilon. This is the first thing. After that, per A, every A you are inserting 2, 1. For 1A, you are going to push to 1. And after that, for B, you are going to pop operation. That is the simple thing. So 1A, you are going to push to 1. So means for this 2, 1, you need 2B. So number of B will be 2 times of number of A. If 1A, then 2B is required. That means A to the power n, B to the power 2n. For 1A, 2 B's are required, because 1A you are inserting 2, 1. To get this 2, 1, I need 2B. This is the way you need to understand. So that's why here it is A to the power n, B to the power 2n. Right? Here. And now next thing is that it is also, then it is also, fourth option is also like that. Then why this is your option? Because n greater than 0 not, it is n greater or equals to 0. Because epsilon accepted here. Epsilon accepted means A to the power n, B to the power 2n. N equals to 0 is also accepted, means A to the power 0, B to the power 0 means epsilon is accepted. That's why this is not your answer. this is your answer. Very careful. Very careful. That's why this is your answer. Got it? Clear? Is that clear? Okay. Chalo. Now do this. Now do this one. Consider the language. Here this is the language and regular expression for the language. Yes. This is also multiple students will do mistake with this one. Maximum students will do mistake. 90% students will do mistake here. Don't do mistake. Here you have to check it is a to the power n, b to the power m. N greater or equals to 4 means a to the power 4. B m less or equals to 3 means b3 is possible. Means a, 4a and 3b's. And b can be less or equals to means 2b is also possible, 1b is also possible, no b that is also possible. No b that is also possible, right? So that's why minimum 4a is mandatory. A can be greater or equals to 4 means 4a is mandatory. After that a star. 4a is mandatory, after that a star. That's why here this is your option. Here you are making 3a mandatory, after that a star. That's why this is wrong. Very carefully understand. And here only 1b, b not. B here lambda, 1b, 2b, 3b. All these are accepted. That's why this is wrong. This is your correct answer. Very carefully, your patience and your focus is very, very important in exam hall to handle this type of question. Otherwise, high chance you will do mistake. Options are very close and you have to eliminate the option. And you have to be very careful at the time of elimination. Otherwise, high chance mistake will be happen. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Yes. Now do this one. Yes. Here, LR parser is the more powerful than LR parser. SLR parser is more powerful than LR. So here you can see LR0, SLR1, LR and CLR. Alright. So this is the highest one. Always remember, it is a very, very important question. Very, very multiple time questions are coming from here. CLR is the highest one. After that LALR. So LALR is the more powerful. That's why this is wrong. SLR is, this is also wrong. CLR, then LALR, then SLR, then LR. Must remember, very, very important. This one. Okay. Chalo. Achha, now TOC is over. Now tell me which one you want to do. Here in my option, unit 1 is there. Programming is also there. Networking is also there. Operating system is also there. DBMS is also there. Everything I have added in this PDF. It is a 300 pages PDF. This is a 300 pages PDF. Tell me your option. Unit 1 is also ready. Programming is also ready. Network is also ready. Unit 1 means Unit 1, I think it will be better to revise once Unit 1 for you. It is my suggestion. My suggestion will be unit 1 first, because programming at least you are doing, but unit 1 I think you are not revising at all. Do easy questions we can do. Easy question but scoring. Easy but scoring. Okay. Do unit 1, after that we will come to programming. Okay, yes, most of you are. Yes, unit 1, that is discrete math, then programming. Okay. Yes. Today learn all conceptual thing. Today complete all conceptual thing. Then next day we can do the next thing. That will be better. All these numerical type things, whenever you are learning, na, your mind will be like power. You will get that power. Yes, this is easy but scoring area. Easy scoring confirm area. Easy scoring confirm area. Set and relation. What are the most important topic of unit 1? Set and relation. Easy theoretical questions are coming from here. Next one is graph theory. Graph theory is also most important. Always questions are coming from here. Next one is propositional logic, predicate logic. These three will give you minimum 10 to 14 marks. Minimum. Right. Yes. So here you are getting this question, that is which one is reflexive. Very important properties. Whenever you are doing set theory, you have to do reflexive, symmetric, anti-symmetric. I will take an page so that I can discuss with you and this concept will be clear. Most of you are doing mistake here. Just do a quick revision so that all this type of question you can do, and it is a very important, 100% sure. So first of all, you can see that in a relation, how to check the equivalence and how to check Poset. Poset, or it is called partial order. Partial order. How to check? There are 3 properties. These properties are reflexive. Next one is symmetric. Next one is transitive. Right? Here Poset or partial order, reflexive, anti-symmetric and transitive. These are the properties. Right? Now how to check it? Here if you are taking a relation R with A, B, C. I am taking small letter, that will be easy to write. R, there are 3 elements A, B, C. This is a set. This is a set. Set we should write like this. This is a writing pattern of a set. A, B, C elements are there. Reflexive means all can see themselves in mirror. Everyone should see themselves in mirror. Means AA, BB, CC should be there. With that something extra, no problem. AB, BC, CA, whatever extra is there, that is not a problem. But mandatory these 3 should be there. Then only we can say reflexive. Right? Now if you are coming to symmetric. Symmetric means if AB present, then BA should be present. If AB not present, no need to think about BA. If only AA, BB, CC, no problem. That is also symmetric. Automatically, if you are taking this example, AA, BB, CC, this is also called symmetric. Don't do mistake here. If I am taking a relation like AA, BB and CC, this is automatically satisfying reflexive also and symmetric also. Because AB is not there means BA, no need to think. And please don't think means AB means AB. A and B, these are the 2 different variables. In the place of AB, you can put C, D, X, Y, Z, M, N, O, P, Q, R, whatever. You, me, brother, sister, father, mother, anything, triangle, rectangle, whatever. A, B are the variable, two different variable. Then you are doing opposite. That should satisfy. AB means not like literal AB. These are the variables. Transitive means if AB and BC both are present, then AC should be present. If problem is there, then only we have to think about solution. If problem is not there, then no need to think about solution. That's why this is also transitive. Ultimately, this relation is equivalence relation. Because automatically this is satisfying reflexive also, symmetric also, transitive also. All these are satisfied here. That's why it is called equivalence. Got it? That's why this is called equivalence. I hope it is clear. Now here to reflexive and transitive is clear. What is antisymmetric? What is called antisymmetric? Antisymmetric means if AB present, then BA should not be present. That is called antisymmetric. If AB present, then BA should not be present. AB present, then BA should not be present. That is called antisymmetric. Got it? Okay. So this is all about, you need to remember. Now if you are coming to example, it was asking you which one is reflexive. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. I need 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. 1, 1 is present, 2, 2 is present, 4, 4 is present. Here 3, 3 is not present. That's why it is not reflexive. Here 1, 1 is present, any other than is not present. Here you can see 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Something extra are there, no problem. Some extra are there, that is not creating any problem here. That's why this is reflexive. Here you can see any one is not present. That's why not. Here are 5, these all are present. 3, 3, 4, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1. That's why this one. Okay. Acha. Here to they ask it is which one is reflexive. Now can you tell me here which one is symmetric? In this example only, can you tell me which one is there any equivalence relation? From here on, one by one we will check. First of all, tell me, is there any symmetric? Anyone is there? Which one is satisfying symmetric? Which one is satisfying symmetric? Anyone is there? Can you tell me? So we already 1.5 hours completed. Let's see. Which one is symmetric? Tell me. Asymmetric, I am telling you. What is the difference between asymmetric and antisymmetric? That is also I will tell you. First do that. Think and let me know, so that your all revision will be done. This is a most important topic from where confirmly you are getting question. Tell me. Okay. R2 is symmetric. CD. Give me that R1, R2, R3, R4, मैम ई ऑप्शन में 2, 1 1, 4 not present, so I am confused. E option. Acha, one by one, let's check it. Is it symmetric? This one. 1, 2. 2, 1 is present. 3, 4. Here is the problem. 4, 3 is not present. Symmetric means AB means BA should be present. Here 3, 4 present but 4, 3 not present. That's why it is not symmetric. Right? When AB present, then BA should be present. That's why it is not symmetric. Done. There comes it. Here 1, 2, 2, 1. Yes. Here it is symmetric. This is symmetric. Definitely. So R2 is symmetric. Next one here. 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 4, 4, 1. Is there any other problem? No. Because 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 1, 1. No problem. So this is also symmetric. So R3 is also symmetric. R3 is also symmetric. No problem. Now see. Here 2, 1, 1, 2 not present. 2, 1, 1, 2 not present. 3, 1, 1, 3 not present. So R4 is not. 1, 2, 2, 1 not present. 1, 2 instead of 2, 1 not present. That's why this is also not. So only R2 and R3 is symmetric. Yes or no? Yes. Only R2 and R3 is symmetric. Any other than is symmetric? No. No one is symmetric here. Only R2 and R3. Yes. Pakka. Hua clear? So this is I got. Yes. Clear. Now tell me here. Now we will clear one by one. Symmetric is clear. Reflexive is clear. Now tell me. That's why I took this example so that everything should be clear to you. If I am telling you antisymmetric. Which one is antisymmetric? Is there any one antisymmetric? Try to find out antisymmetric. Antisymmetric means what? If AB present, then BA should not be present. If AB present, then BA should not be present. So is there any one antisymmetric? Antisymmetric. Here answers are coming. Good. Okay, see that. Here 1, 2 present, 2, 1 is present. That's why it is not antisymmetric also. This is not antisymmetric also. Although 3, 4 is not present, 4, 3 is not present. But here this is violating the rule. That's why it is not antisymmetric. Got it? Here, whenever you are doing this one, is it antisymmetric? No, this one also not, because it is already symmetric. So this is also not antisymmetric. This is already symmetric, so this is not antisymmetric. R4. 2, 1 not present, 3, 1 not present, 2, 3 not present, 2, 4 not present, 1, 4 not present, 4, 3 not present. So this is antisymmetric. So R4 is antisymmetric. Yes, R4. R4 is antisymmetric. Now R5. R5 is this antisymmetric? 1, 2, 2, 1 not present. 1, 3, 3, 1 not present. 1, 4, 4, 1 not present. 3, 2 not present. 4, 2 not present. 4, 3 not present. So means R5 is also antisymmetric. Right? R4 and R5 is antisymmetric. Is that clear? Yes. R4 and R5 is antisymmetric. I hope it is clear. Chalo. Now tell me. From one question your all concept will clear. Yes, right? R5 antisymmetric, right? Is it violating any rule? No. 2, 1 not present. 3, 1 not present. 4, 1 not present. 3, 2 not present. 4, 2 not present. 3, 4 not. Asymmetric. Yes. Now can you tell me which one is asymmetric? Now can you tell me which one is asymmetric? Asymmetric means it here actually, what is the difference between asymmetric and antisymmetric? I am telling you. Antisymmetric is following: if AB present, then BA should not be present, but AA, BB, these are allowed here. These are allowed here in antisymmetric. But in asymmetric, if AB present, then BA should not be present, and this AA, BB, CC, these are also not allowed. Asymmetric means this is a extra constraint. These are also not allowed here. Okay, AA, BB, CC is also not allowed here. So now check only R5 and R4 and R5. This is definitely not, because this is already we check. The extra condition AB then BA is not allowed, that is already we check. Now you have to check AA, BB, CC. Is this clear or not? See here. That's why R4 is here asymmetric. Here you can see R4 is asymmetric because the AA, BB, CC, DD, these are not present. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, nothing is present. That's why this one is asymmetric. This one is asymmetric. Got it? R5 is not asymmetric. So, if I am making asymmetric, which one asymmetric? Only R4. Right? So means what you understand from here? All asymmetric are antisymmetric, but all antisymmetric are not asymmetric. All asymmetric are antisymmetric, but all antisymmetric are not asymmetric. Got it? Because antisymmetric means AB implies BA should not be there, but AA, BB, these are allowed. But in asymmetric, AB implies BA is also not allowed. AA, BB is also not allowed. It is actually telling like that. Ki A not equals to B, then also not allowed. A equals to B, then also not allowed. Here definition is telling A not equals to B, that is not allowed, but A equals to B, this is allowed. That is actually the actual definition of antisymmetric and asymmetric. Clear? Reflexive not there means no. Don't say that reflexive not there. See that. Don't say that reflexive not there. Don't say that. Because if I am taking example, this one. With this one I am adding one extra. 1, 1. Is it reflexive? Reflexive means every one should be there. Every AA, BB, CC means for all element it should satisfy. Don't say that ki reflexive not there. You say A, B, B, this type of thing means where A equals to B, this is allowed. A equals to B, not allowed. Reflexive is different, antisymmetric, symmetric is different. Reflexive means all should satisfy. Everyone should satisfy. Then only it is reflexive. Say that ki A equals to B means when A and B is same, that is allowed in antisymmetric. But A equals to B is not allowed in asymmetric. Clear? Yes. Extra also allowed. Extra no problem. My exact constraint should be satisfied. After that you are giving extra, that is not a problem. Right? Whenever you are taking course, whatever I am telling you ki okay, we will provide this. That is mandatory. After that if you are getting extra, free तो सबको अच्छा लगता है, right? फ्री में कुछ मिलता है तो सबको अच्छा लगता है. Extra discount, extra benefit, right? Those are extra benefit. Extra benefit is okay. Whatever constraint that should be satisfied, after that extra benefit is okay. So now tell me in this question only, then which one is equivalence? So this is the already you learned. Then now tell me which one is equivalence. So we make the list of reflexive also, symmetric also, asymmetric also. Now which one is transitive? Is there anyone transitive? Your complete this part will be done. Is there anyone transitive here? Can you tell me? Anyone is transitive here? Are you able to find out anything transitive? Find it. Transitive, which one is satisfying transitivity? Try to find out transitive. Transitive means A, B and BC, then AC. Here you see 1 2 2 1, then 1 1, it is there. 1 2 2 2, 1 2, it is there. 2 1 1 1 2 1, it is there. 2 1 1 2 2 2, it is there. 3 4 4 1, 3 1 is required, it is not there. Here 3 1 is required. Here 3 1 is required, right? That's why this is not. Yes or no? Guys, don't do mistake. Reflexive automatically transitive, I did not say that. Only reflexive. Reflexive automatically satisfy, I did not say that. I say that only reflexive means automatically it is transitive. With reflexive, if something extra, then it is transitive. I did not say that. Right? So here this is not transitive. 3 4 4 1, I need 3 1. 3 1 is not present. Here 1 2 1 1 1 2, 1 2 is present. 1 2 2 1. This is the transitive here. Yes or no? Here too it is not a problem. This is not a problem. R2 is transitive. It is ending with 1. This is starting with 1. So I need 1 2. 1 2 is already there. This is ending with 2. This is starting with 2. So it is required 1 1. 1 1 is there. Right? So this is transitive. This is transitive. Means R2 is transitive. R2 is transitive, right? Yes or no? Yes, R2 is transitive. Here, 1 1 2 1 2 is present. Is there anyone starting with 1? No. 2, this is starting 1 1, it's present. It is 1 2, it is present. 4 4, it is ending 1 1 1 4, it is present. Here 2 1 2 1, anything is 2 1, it is starting with 1, that is 2 1 itself, no problem. Here this is also satisfying. 2 2, it is ending with 2, starting with 2, starting 2 1 2 1, yes, present. 3 3, no. 4 1 4 2 4 1 1 2, it is creating problem. 4 1 1 2, I need here 4 2, this is not present. This is not present. 4 1 1 2, I need 4 2, that is not present. That's why this is not transitive. Very carefully, transitivity is actually getting problem. What is the trick to check the transitivity? What is ending? The element ending, you have to find out anyone is starting with that. It can be before also, it can be after also. Don't check after only, before also it is possible. It was ending with 1, anyone is starting with 1, this is starting with 1. So 4 1 1 2 means I need 4 2. 4 2 is not present, that's why it is not transitive. Right? That is the reason it is not transitive. Clear? So now see that R4. It is also can be your 10 marks question. Who knows? If this is only coming in 10 marks, you will be happy or not, tell me. This is also can be your 10 marks question, right? They can give you like this. Yes. Here. So now see. 1, it is ending with 1. Anyone is starting with 1? No. It is ending with 1. Anyone is starting with 1? No. Here it is ending with 1. Anyone is starting with 1? No. It is ending with 2. Anyone is starting with 2? This one is starting with 2. So 3 2 2 1 3 1 is present. No problem. Anyone more is starting with 2? No. It is ending with 1. Anyone is starting with 1? No. It is ending with 2. Anyone is starting with 2? Yes. I need 4 1. 4 1 is not present. 4 1 is not present. 4 2 2 1. I need 4 1. That is not present. Yes. 4 2 2 1. 4 1 is not present. That's why R2 is also not transitive. Clear? How to check it? Here 1 1 1 2. Whenever you are doing, you can see here. Those who have patience, they can only understand. Those who don't have any patience, they will not understand. Here 1 1, I need 1 3. It is already there. I need 1 4. It is already there. 2 1 2. It is already there. 1 3. It is already there. 1 4. It is already there. 1 3. It is already there. 1 4 also there. 1 4 also there. So with 1 no problem. With 1 no problem. But here next one I have to see. 3. It is ending with 3. Anyone is starting with 3? 3 1 3 1 4. It is there. 4 1 4. I think this one will be transitive. Achha, 4. Check it once. 4 1 4. It is there. 1. No, it is not actually. 1 4. This one. 1 4. This is not. Check properly, guys. You can tell me that yes, am I doing mistake anywhere? One 4 R4 4-1 present, ma'am. 4-1 present. Ah, 4-1 is present. Yes, sorry. Here to 4-1 present. Exactly. Here to 4-1 present. Correct. It is 4-1 present. Here 4-1 present. That's why. Yeah, 4-2 2-1 4-1 present. 4-3 4-3 is not present. 4-3 3-2. I need 4-2. That is also present. 4-3 3-2. I need 4-2. This is also present. Right? So R4 is coming transitive. Means R4 is coming transitive. This is a very good question actually. R4 is coming transitive, right? Yes or no? Yes, R4 is coming transitive. Because all are satisfying. Here all are satisfying means R4 is also transitive. And here I was checking this one. 2, 3, 2, 4. It is coming. 2, 3 is there. 2, 4 it is there. 2, 4 it is there here. 2, 4 it is there. I think R5 is also transitive if I am not doing mistake. R5 is also transitive. Check it once and tell me. Yes or no? R4 and R5 both are coming transitive. I think so. There is no problem in R4 and R5. Yes. Right. R5 is also coming transitive. There is no problem. It is yes or no? It is coming. R5 also transitive. So that's why now you can say anyone is here. Which one is satisfying? Reflexive also. We got already C and E is reflexive. So E is reflexive also. That is R5. R5 is reflexive also. R5 is not symmetric. So equivalence is not coming. R5 reflexive, R5 antisymmetric and R5 transitive. Means R5 is a Poset. Is it or not? R5 is a Poset. R5 is a Poset. R4 is transitive because just now we saw that here it was creating problem. 4-2 2-1 4-1 is present. 4-2 2-1 4-1 is present. 4-3 3-1 4-1 is present. 4-1 is present. So no problem. Right? So R5 is a Poset because it is satisfying reflexive, it is satisfying antisymmetric, it is satisfying transitive also. That's why this is a Poset. Right? Is there anyone? Which one is equivalence? 1-2 2-1 1-1 is there. 1-2 2-1 not there. So not reflect. By what I told that is reflexive, that is symmetric. 1-2 2-1 that is called symmetric. Why you are coming to reflexive? Huh? Vaibhav, you are not listening properly. Got it? That's why, yes, I hope your all concepts are clear. This question, that's why I choose this question, so that everything, all revision should be done from one question. Problem is that you are thinking as a one question and I am thinking as a multiple question. There is a difference. One question can clear your so many concepts. From one question, if you are going in deeper, then you will see so many concepts will get clear. And this is a very important concept, identifying reflexive, symmetric, antisymmetric, asymmetric, transitive. All that we prove here, and after that ultimately Poset and equivalence. Here is no one equivalence because no one is satisfying like that. The reflexive was satisfying only C and E, R3 and R5. R5 is not satisfying symmetric. R3 is satisfying symmetric, but it is not satisfying transitive. Right? Yes. So that's why here this is Poset, R5 is Poset, but it is not equivalence. Equivalence means reflexive, symmetric, transitive should be satisfied. Poset means reflexive, antisymmetric, transitive should be satisfied. High chance from here also you can get 10 marks question. Like this way, any one can ask you 10 marks question. Which one transitive, which one reflexive, which one asymmetric, which one equivalence, which one Poset. Like that they can make it 10 marks. It's easily possible. Right? Yes. I hope it is clear. Are you enjoying or not? बताओ. Enjoy करना है. Here I came first year, first day of the first year we will learn conceptually. That was my promise. I did my promise with myself कि first day we will start conceptually. Not like that static question, one-liner question. I know multiple students will not watch this class. Maximum number of students will not watch this class. 99% student will not watch. They don't have that much patience to watch. Only 1% student will watch the complete class. They will get JRF. Those students are watching complete class, and those students will watch it and they will try to understand this complete thing. They are ultimately the candidate for JRF. Because for computer science, these are the core area where you have to work on. If you are not working on this core area, you can't get it. Right? Acha, karo isko, I am coming in 1 minute. Do it, I am coming in 1 minute. Srekha is telling R3 is satisfying transitive. Is it? R3 is not satisfying transitive. 4-2 is not there. R3 is not satisfying transitive because 4-1-1-2, 4-2 is not present, Srekha. That's why it is not transitive. Okay. Acha. Do this answer. I am coming in 1 minute. Yes. 39 notes writing. How ma'am? Means 39 notes writing means? Notes writing means I am not getting. Here. Here what to do? Here you can see. Here this one is correct because P and Q, two statements. So here it was asking you which one is correct. This one too definitely correct because when you are doing not, negation and is converting to or. Negation or converting to and. Okay, that's why this is also correct, this is also correct, no problem. Here this one is false because it is actually P dot P bar. I will suggest you that always remember one thing. P dot means whenever you are doing propositional logic is just convert into Boolean algebra format. When propositional logic you are converting in Boolean algebra format, then you are getting 0. Okay, so that's why it is false. It is easy. Here you can see not P implies Q. So it is what? It is actually, this is a thumb rule of propositional logic. P implies Q means not P or Q. So not P or Q means here it is negation P or Q. Means ultimately negation will be P or will be changed to and this is changing to Q. So this is correct. But this one is not correct because it is P or Q. It is definitely not. So that's why this is your answer. Right? Okay. 39 notes means I am not getting what you are asking, Sri. Yes. P dot, here I want to tell you some important formulas. Always remember these formulas. It will be helpful to do your Boolean algebra and propositional logic both. Always remember A plus A bar is what? A plus A bar. A plus A bar is 1. A dot A bar is 0. 1 plus anything, 1 plus whatever, that is always 1. Okay. Okay. 1 plus anything, that is always 1. Clear? Oh, acha. Now I got it. Yesterday those notes, right? Okay, now I got it. So these 3 formulas are very, very important to do solution. Always remember that. Okay. Okay, Deepti Ghosh. Good evening. We started class at 3:30. 2 hours completed. Now it is next going on. Acha, do this one. Do this one. I will be here till they are not coming. That's why I send them outside. Go and do masti jo bhi karna hai karo. I will take class. How long they are not here, they will come. After that I have to end. But till then I am here. Don't worry. Do this. Yes, here answer is definitely this one. Because here you have to do cardinality. Cardinality means number of set. Set you have to count within second bracket. Within second bracket elements are called set. This is one set together, this is one set together. Means here cardinality is 2. Here these are the separate elements. Inside one set only. Inside one set only. That's why here cardinality is 1. Here these are different set. This is it, this is other set, this is other set. That's why it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the cardinality. Here all are the different set. That's why 4 is the cardinality. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 is the cardinality. That's why here lowest one is C. That is 1. After that A, then D, then B, then E. This is the sequence. Got it? Yes, clear. Chalo, now do this one. This is also a very important question and you need to remember the formula. Here it is hiding behind me. Do this. Yes. Okay, good. Answer is coming. Here the formula is that for a complete graph with n nodes, how many spanning trees are possible? That is, for a complete graph with n nodes, formula is n to the power n minus 2. That means here 3 to the power 3 minus 2 means it is 3 to the power 3 nodes means 3 to the power 2. That is 9, right? Yes. Yes or no? Here you are getting complete graph with 4. So 4 to the power 4 minus 2 means it is 4 to the power 2, that is 16. Here it is m to the power n minus 1 multiply into n to the power m minus 1 for a bipartite graph. That means it is 2 to the power 2 minus 1 multiply into 2 to the power 2 minus 1, that is 4. Here you are getting cyclic graph 5 node, it is equals to number of node. In a cyclic graph, how many spanning tree? Number of node. It is n. That's why it is 5. So according to sequence, whenever you are doing, here I did any mistake? I think. Achha. That's why I was thinking. It is not coming 3, it is 3, right? That is the mistake I did. Here it is 3 to the power 3 minus 2. That's why it was stuck on my mind. 3 to the power 3 minus 2. Right? N to the power n minus 2. N to the power n minus 2. 3 to the power 1. That's why this is 3. So it is, you are getting 3, this is 16, this is 4 and this is 5. So it is your answer. 3, 4, 5, 16. This is your answer. Yes. Yes. Clear? So remember this formula. For a complete graph, n to the power n minus 2. For a bipartite graph, m to the power n minus 1, n to the power m minus 1. For a cyclic graph, number of node. That is your total spanning tree. Clear? Yes. Now tell me, do this one. Now do this one. Which of the following are tautology here? I will switch off one light. It's irritating me. So I switch off the light. Okay, maybe that ring light is really too much. So it's okay. It will show me little bit blur, but it's okay. I think you can adjust. No problem. Yeah. So you are getting here C, D, E. Okay. C, D, E. Here it is your answer. So P or R implies P. This is correct or not? It is tautology or not? How to do it? Here same formula you have to apply. P implies Q means not P or Q. Right? So that's why not P or R or P. Here you can see this one is not P or R, means it is easy to write, like you can write it P plus R whole bar plus P. P plus R whole bar plus P. Okay. So as you are doing it, then according to De Morgan's law, you can apply the De Morgan's law here. This is, you can write P bar dot R bar plus P. Like that you can write it, right? So is it coming 1? Anyhow it is not coming 1. Anyhow it is not coming 1, right? Anyhow you will not get 1 here. So that's why it is not coming tautology. Same way if you are doing this one. If you are doing B, I am doing B here. If I am doing B, solving B here, just see. Here. P, not P, or P and R, right? This is ultimately P bar dot P plus R. It is also not coming 1. This will also not come 1. Definitely it is also not coming 1. That's why this is also not tautology. Always it's easy way to convert in Boolean algebra format. That will be easy for you. I am telling you. In exam hall, then and there convert in Boolean algebra, it will be easy. Here negation P, this one. Here first part by part do it. It is negation P or not P or R, like that. So it is P double bar plus P bar plus R, like that. So it is P plus P bar plus R. P plus P bar is 1. 1 plus R is 1. 1 plus anything is 1. Right? 1 plus anything is 1. That means as I am getting 1 here, it is tautology. This is the way you have to solve. Tautology means after solving equation, I should get 1. That means it is tautology. So here I am getting 1 means it is tautology. Same way you can do D. It is actually not P dot R or R, means it will be same way, not P or R, like that. So it is P dot R bar plus P bar plus R, right? Now you can see that P dot R bar plus this one, you can write it P bar plus R bar, right? As per De Morgan's law, P AB whole bar, you can write it A bar plus B bar like this way. Plus P bar plus R. If I am taking P bar common, then I am getting 1 plus R bar plus 1 plus P bar I cannot take common, sorry. Here I cannot take common P bar. What I am doing? This is not. I can take like that. Here I am getting P bar, right? Here actually it will happen R bar plus R is 1 and P bar. So I am getting here P bar plus 1. P bar plus 1 means 1. P bar plus 1 means this is also coming. And it is so easy. This one easily you can get it. I will get here negation. From here also you will get it 1. That's why this is also coming 1. This is also coming 1. Right? So all are coming 1 means it is your answer. Got it? Clear? Is that clear to everyone? I hope so. Clear? I hope so. Yeah. Now do this. Do this one. Here the dual expression given, you have to do Boolean of Boolean expression. Boolean expression to dual. This is also very important topic. Yes. So here always remember, whenever you are doing dual, dual means actually plus will be changed to dot, dot will be changed to plus, 0 will change to 1, 1 will change to 0. Variable no change. Variable will be as it is. No change in variable. That's why here if I am changing to dual, it will be x, dot is changing to plus, y will be as it is. This is 1. So it is your answer. For this one, you are getting x bar, it is as it is, x bar will be as it is, 1 is changing to 0, that will be plus, x bar plus 0, dot plus is changing to dot, y will be as it is, dot z. That's why you are getting this one. B will be with 4, A will be with 2, B, this is not your answer, this is your answer. A is coming with 2. B is coming with 4. No, A is coming with 3. Here is some problem was there actually. Achha, I am solving, after that I am marking. Here is some problem. Here I am doing it. What is the correct one? Here you are getting, this is x bar plus y bar dot 1. So x bar, C will be with 3. C is with 3. A is with 2. B is with 4. Okay. So A2, anything is not matching. Is it matching with anyone? C is 3. A is, there may be some typing mistake can be there. B is 1. B is 1, that is okay. But A, 1 is A, 1 is 2. 1 is 2. B. B if I am doing, yes. B is there. B whenever I am doing, B is this one. This is x bar plus 0 dot y bar dot z. Right? So that's why this one. B is with 1. Yes. A with 2, B with 1, C with 3. We did right? C with 3. Yes. D with 4. Yes or no? This is coming. Right? So option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct. A is with 2 and C is coming with 3. C is coming with 3. This one. So A is with 2, C is with 3, B is with 1, D is with this. So C is the correct answer. Got it? Yes. So in Boolean to dual, you have to remember this. Plus will be changed to dot, dot will be changed to plus, 0 will be changed to 1, 1 will be changed to 0, and no change in variable. No change in variable. Okay? Okay. Yes. Now do this. Yes. Now do this. This is a probability question. Yes. Do this. A bit string of length 4 is generated at random. What is the probability that it contains at least 2 consecutive 0? Yeah. Good. It is also a good conceptual question where you have to do here. It is, you can see, a bit string length of 4 generated at random. What is the probability that contain at least 2 consecutive zeros and in the first bit of 0? As you can see here, at least 2 consecutive 0, where these are all the possibilities. Out of these all possibilities, here you are getting, here also you are getting, here also, and here you are not getting, right? So total 5. This is also you are getting, here also you are getting. This one is 2 consecutive, this is also, this is also. These all are 2 consecutive 0. So out of 5 by 8, total 8 combination. Out of that, 5 are 2 consecutive 0. That's why 5 by 8 is your answer. Now do this. Now do this one. Do this one. What is the answer for this? Yes, option 4 is the correct answer. Very good. Here 5 and this. If I am doing the intersection, this is a set intersection. You are doing intersection between the set. So whenever you are doing intersection between the set, this is the answer. Here you are doing intersection between 2 sets. Ultimately 2 set intersection. That's why this is your answer. Here whenever you are doing this one, so you are getting this one, you are getting this one. This is a very important concept, very important. With element and set. With element and set you are doing union and intersection. Okay. Yes, do this one. Do this. Which of the following graph are tree? Yes. So definitely this is your answer. Now you will tell me, ma'am, this is why not this one. Tree means there should not be any cycle. First of all, tree means this is not creating any cycle. So you can see this is not creating cycle. This is also not creating cycle. But this one is creating cycle. This one is creating cycle, right? That's why this is not a tree. And this is not a tree because ultimately it is a bipartite graph. This one you can divide in 2 parts. This one is a actually bipartite graph. Tree should be connected. Tree should be connected and there should not be any cycle. Actually this is not connected. That's why this is also not a graph. This is not a tree. That's why only A and B is the correct answer. Got it? Clear? Okay. Now do this. Do this one. At least we will complete the unit 1. After that maybe we can. I have to. They came back. My daughter and my husband came back. They are asking how long more. Yes. Previous question, pi equals to 0 is the correct. Pi means? Where option 1 is correct means where? Option 1 is correct. Yes, A and B. Yes. Here you can see which one is correct. Here definitely option 4 is the correct answer. What is the number of correct statement among the above statement? Here, there exists no simple undirected and connected graph with 80 vertices and 77 edges. Definitely not, because 80 means there should be 79 edges, n minus 1 edges. It is given no simple graph, means this is correct. Every vertices of Euler graph is even, this is also correct. Every simple undirected graph acyclic 50 vertices has at least 2 vertices of degree 1. This is also correct. And here this is also correct. So that's why option 4 means 4 options are correct. All the 4 options are correct. That's why this is your answer. Okay, do this one. Do this one. See that programming, already one class I have taken. August, all the questions I have discussed. And AI also I have taken one class. AI 2 classes I have taken. I will show you. Do this. I will show you the playlist from where you can cover those topics. I know that whatever I have covered and whatever I did not cover. Do this one. This is the proposition and disjunctive normal form. Here this one and this one is here. Now try to do this. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow also I will take class. Don't worry. Till 3rd at least I will take class. 4th and 5th will be your self-study time. You should do self-study 4th and 5th. That is very important time for self-study. I don't prefer to take class at last moment. Yes. Here your answer will be this one definitely. A2, B1, C3 and D4. Because why? Because from this proposition only you can match it. Right? Yes. Now do this one. This is also very important, where you have to match the formula of set theory. These are scoring area, set theory formula. Yes, this is called symmetric difference. Symmetric difference means A minus B union B minus A. Right? Here you can see A minus B union C. A minus B union C means you are getting this one. That is A minus B intersection. Union is changing to intersection. A minus B union C. So you are getting this one. And this one is this one. Very, very important, these formulas. You can get question from here. Yes, I will upload the PDF. Don't worry. I will upload the PDF. Here all units are there. I have some of the question we did in morning class. Tomorrow also for the paid learners we will do some remaining questions. Okay, so I will upload the PDF. This is a 300 pages PDF where all 10 units I have added. I will upload it. Don't worry. Tomorrow morning 5 AM again class will be there for paid learners. Part optimistic, CPM pessimistic. Yes. So here your answer is part is this one, use non-repetitive job. Optimistic time, this one, shortest possible time. CPM used for repetitive job. Pessimistic used for this one. These are all direct question. You can remember, you can get score here. That's why I have added. Easy topic. Planar graph, bipartite graph, part CPM. Yes. See that bipartite graph is always two colorable. Always it is two colorable. So that's why this one. And four colorable is this one. That is planar graph. Planar graph is always four colorable. And part is probabilistic. CPM is deterministic. So that's why this is your answer. Okay. Now here, linear program, predicate logic, tree traversal, minimum spanning tree. Yes. So definitely here you can see linear programming is simple algorithm. Predicate logic is actually first order predicate logic. It is another name. Tree traversal in order, minimum spanning tree sprints. Very easy question. Achha, this one easily you can do. We started with very difficult question. Now easily you can tell me this relation is what? Difficult not. It was also easy, but I explained everything. Which one is reflexive, symmetric, transitive, everything I explained to you. So, wow! Akash, you made my day. Congratulations, Akash. Akash crack SBI only because of you. Thank you, Akash. Send a video, please. Congratulations, Akash. Congratulations. Please send a video. You made my day. Ultimately, now this is Happy New Year. Send me a video in my WhatsApp number 8697365460. Okay. Please 8697365460. Congratulations, really. And send us a video that your preparation strategy and everything, how to go ahead with this exam, what to do, so that everyone will get the idea. Congratulations. Do this. Yes, this is your answer. Finally, a good news to aaya. Always there is something waiting for you. Right. Always there is something waiting for you, definitely. This is made my day ultimately. Hey ma'am, I crack SBI so only because of you. Akash, congratulations. Really you made my day. 1st January when I am taking class with cancelling everything, all program, everyone went out and I am taking class and I got a good news. This is called the good news from God. When you are doing something, definitely you will get it. Right? Yes. Here. Not reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. Here it is. Definitely this is your answer. Because you are not getting 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So that's why it is not reflexive. It is not symmetric because 3, 1, 1, 3 not. 2, 1 not. This is also 1, 3, 3, 1 not. So that's why it is also not symmetric. Transitive also not because 3, 2 not present. 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2 not present. Yes. This platform is not only for UGC NET. That's why in Unified Study anywhere I am not writing only for UGC NET. Because whatever course I am taking, whatever classes I am taking, this computer science class is helpful for everyone. Previously ISRO also, some of my students crack it. NIC also, some of my students crack it. Scientists, they are doing scientist job also. So yeah, IBPS, so lots of students got it. So it is not like that only UGC NET. If you are preparing, you can get everything. A relation R defined integer as this. So what is your answer? Neither partial order nor equivalence, because as this is less than and greater than. Less than greater than means it will be never reflexive. For reflexive it should be equal. Reflexive means it should be equal. As they are not equal, that's why it is not reflexive. And as it is not reflexive, that's why it is not partial also, not equivalence also. Got it? Yes. Now can you do this one? Today I have full Josh and extra Josh I got. Are you getting tired? At least till 6:30 so we can. 3:30 I have started, 6:30 I will end. At least till 6:30, 3 hours, so definitely you have to also stay in exam hall 3 hours, right? 3 hours you have to stay in exam hall also. Consider the unit here, this one, this P is the even number, here Q is given, N not equals to 6, but will be the truth set for this. Answer is coming. Here you have to do x equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. P equals to this, Q equals to this. Because from here only you can see, this is the condition given. From this condition only you can see Q is greater or equals to 3. And less or equals to 7 but not equals to 6. Means 3, 4, 5 and 7. This is coming. And here you can see this is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These all are coming, right? So that's why here you are getting all this. And Q is this, Q is here, no, Q is this one, I already got it. So as now P double implication means P implies Q and Q implies P. Means not P or Q and not Q or P. Here you are doing not P or Q means not P is this or Q, and not Q or Q means this is 8 is also coming here. Okay. Here 8 and this one you are getting 1 and 4. That's why your answer is 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 is the correct answer. Acha. Can you do this? Yes. This is equivalence. How to do it? Because you can solve it. After solving, you can see here, if I am getting reflexive, means this one equals to ABRCD, you will replace this, you are replacing CDRAB, then is it satisfying or not? And ABRAB, reflexive means here ABRAB. You will put it into the equation, is it satisfying or not? So it is reflexive, it will be symmetric, and it is transitive also. Because if you have to take AB, R, BC and then AC is satisfying or not. Like that you have to check. So you will check that all that will satisfy. This is also a very important question. All that will satisfy. That's why this is equivalence. Okay. This is another types of question. See that. This is another type of question. Here, this is a natural number. It is a natural number. Yes. Here you have to do key. This is given a natural number and B is also given a natural number. Which of the following is correct? A intersection B. So as you can see here, A, whenever I am taking it as a natural number, for this one it is satisfying, right? For these all 6, 10, 14, 18 is coming here. For this one I am getting 3, 6, 9 and 12. So whenever I am doing intersection, I am getting 6, 18 and 30. Means this one I can represent like that, 6 plus n minus 1 into 12. Means it is coming 12n minus 6, where n is the natural number. This type of questions are very common in paper unit 1. That is discrete math, where you have to do the normal number system concept. So that's why this is your answer. This type of question is very popular nowadays. Very popular from the predicate logic. They are giving this type of disclosure. Universe of disclosure. This is the integer. And what will be the answer? Yes. So here you have to see that here for all n square greater or equals to 0. It is for all integer. For all integer n square, if I am doing even 0 square, it is 0, 1 square, this is 1 minus 1 square. This is also 1 minus 2 square. This is 4. So always it will be a positive number. That's why it is correct. There exists n where n square is 2. Never. Any number. 1 square is 2. 2 square is 2. Any number you will not get which one is 2. That's why it is wrong. For all n square greater or equals to n. Definitely. 1 square will be greater or equals to 1. 2 square greater or equals to 4. Greater or equals to 2. 3 square greater or equals to 3. Minus 3 square greater or equals to 3. Definitely. So that's why this is correct. There exists n square less than 1. Never. Whenever you are doing negative number square also, that will come positive number. Any negative x if you are doing, that will come as a positive x. That's why this is wrong. So A and C is the correct answer. This type of question nowadays very popular, where you have to put the values. Try to put the values and try to check key, and whenever it is given key integer, think about positive and negative both. Integer means positive integer also, negative integer also. Don't think it is only positive integer. It can be negative integer also. Right? Yes. Now do this. This is also next. Yes, so x equals to x square. Yes, so here you can see Px is given x equals to x square. For 0, is it satisfying or not? 0 square equals to 0. 1 square equals to 1. 2 square equals to 4. That's why it is not coming. That's why it is not coming. There exists x Px. If 0, 1, then it is true. But for all, it is not true. Because for 2, it is not satisfying. For 2, it is not satisfying. That's why A, B, D is the correct answer. Right? Now, can you do this? If universe of disclosure are all real number, then which of the following are true? Think and answer. By looking you will be confused, but 3 hours not completed till now. More 5 to 6 minutes left. 5 to 6 minutes left till now. Yes, here you can see. Here whenever I am doing, there exists x for all y, x plus y equals 2. So if I am tweaking x equals to 0, then it will be true. Because 0 plus y will be y always. Right? When I am taking for all x, for all y, x greater than 0 and y less than 0, then x minus y greater than 0. X if is a positive number, y is negative number, then I will get it equals to positive. That's why this is also correct. Here for this one, if I am taking x and y both as a negative number, I am zooming it little bit so that you can understand. Here for this b, if I am taking x is also positive, y is negative, then I will get the positive one. Definitely this is correct. For the c, here x and y both are negative. If y more negative, y is more negative, then it is definitely true. So here you can take an example also. Here there exists this one x minus y. X minus y will be greater than 0, where x is negative and y is also negative. So if I am taking an example, minus 5 minus 8, then what will be my answer? I will get minus plus 8, means it is plus 3. So is it greater than 0 or not? Yes. That's why this is satisfying. Right? For all x, for all y, x product of two non-zero element will be definitely non-zero. Whenever you are multiplying, the product of two non-zero element will be definitely non-zero. That's why this is also correct. Okay, in this way you have to think. Okay? Clear? Clear to everyone? I hope so. And so that's why A, B, C, D all are correct here. Okay. Acha. Here last question I am showing you. You can do it. This is the last one. LPP. Most important. As you know, from LPP 10 marks question came 2 times. 2 times 10 marks question came. Without LPP we can't end the class. We should not end the class without LPP. LPP 2 times they ask. So, and LPP formation and solution is easy. Without doing simplex. Not required to do simplex. Just you have to do formulation, and after that you have to solve. That is only. So it's easy, not at all difficult. So definitely do it. This is the last. LPP 5 questions are there. Last. Yes, answer is coming. Here how to do it I am telling you. Here actually from here you need to divide. It is asking you what is the cost function. Directly you can see the cost function from here. Food contains 6 units of vitamin D, 7 units of vitamin E. So 2 ingredients are there, D and E. 2 ingredients. 2 types of food are there. One is X, one is Y. This is given X, this is given Y. X is 6 unit of vitamin D, 7 unit of vitamin E. Y is here, you can see 8 unit of vitamin D and 12 unit of vitamin E. This is the formulation. After that you can see the cost. Here 12 unit for vitamin D and 20 for vitamin E. So 12 for vitamin D, 20 for vitamin E. This is the cost you are getting. So from here only you can do 12x plus 20y. Okay, 12 unit. So that's why 12x plus 20y. Now next question is this. You can see here, which of the following constraint formulating LPP? You have to formulate the LPP now. Yes, this is the answer. Just now we did it. See that. Here from here only 6 and 8, 7 and 12. From here only you are getting 6 and 8 and 7 and 12. See that? 6x plus 8y, 7x plus 12y, and here it is given vitamin D and E are 100 unit and 120 unit. Minimum requirement. Minimum requirement means greater or equals to. Maximum given means less or equals to. Minimum requirement means that's why it is greater or equals to. Don't do less or equals to, then it is wrong. Not less or equals to. It is given minimum, right? That's why greater or equals to. So option D. Now do this one. Which of the following are quantities of food X and Y respectively when cost of the food is minimum? Yes, definitely. Option 2 is the correct answer, because here you are solving. You can solve it as I am showing you the solution. Give me the answer. After that I am showing you the solution. The minimum cost of the food. Yes. So 205 is the correct answer. How to do? See that. Here by equation solving only you can do it. This is you have to formulate the LPP first of all. This is Z value. This is the 2 equation. And after just solve the equation. Just solve the equation. Normal solution. Here I will multiply with 7. I will multiply with 6. I am getting here 700 and 720. From solution I am getting here y equals to 5 by 4. Now put here the value of 5 by 4. You will put the value. You are getting x equals to greater or equals to 15. From here only you are getting x equals to 15 and z equals to 5 by 4. Now in this z you will put the value. Is z equals to 12x plus 20y means 12 multiply into 15 plus 20 multiply into 5 by 4. That is your answer. You are getting answer from here. Here you are getting 5. So you are getting plus 25. 180. 180 plus 25. Right? 205. So you are getting this answer. 205. And here you got this answer. This one 15 and 5 by 4. X and y. This is the value. Y is 5 by 4. X is 15. And ultimate solution is 205. Super easy. In this way only you can solve the question. Super easy. Don't leave this LPP formulation and equation solving. No, LPP means most of the time students are thinking, oh my god, simplex. No need to do simplex. Just do equation solution and you can do it. And this one is dual. Very, very important. Dual to primal to dual. LPP primal is given. You have to convert in dual. This is the last question for today and we have completed 3 hours. I am feeling very happy. You are feeling happy? 1st January 2025 we started with a marathon class and the subject like TOC and discrete math. That's really amazing. Really, I am feeling so happy to invest this time with you. I hope it is a quality time. When you are spending a quality time, it is happiness, right? That is called happiness. So here you can see primal. Primal is given this and this is the equation. 6x plus 8y. So this is 100. 7x plus 20y. This is 120. Right? So here just check column wise. Just it is column wise. That's why I have written like this. 6 and 7. This one 6u plus 7. Here 12. That's why it is 12. 8, 12. Here you can see 8u plus 12 and it is 20. Just like column wise check it and put the answer. Here column wise value and put the answer here. Got it? Yes. Just separate it column wise and put the value. That is the easy way. Easiest way. Like this you can put here. You can divide it this part. You can divide this part. This is 6x plus 7u, 12, and this is here, and ultimately this part is here. When it is maximized as it is, and as this was greater or equals to, in dual it is changing to less or equals to. Okay, as it is greater or equals to, it is changing to less or equals to in dual. Okay? Clear? Yes? Okay. Chalo. And please take some class on cloud and visualization up to next. Okay, I am planning upcoming 2025 some new topics I am trying to learn. Okay. Thank you everyone. See you again tomorrow. Tomorrow I will take class again 3 p.m. Same time I will take class. And for the paid learners, class will be at 5 a.m. 5 a.m. morning we will meet. And if you want to join our paid course for 2025 batch, then you can join this paid course. It is going to start from 7th or 8th. I will start the class because 6th is your exam. After the exam only, I will start the class. This is not only for UGC NET. Particularly, I will follow the syllabus of UGC NET. But others also, those who are preparing for SET, PSC, Assistant Professor, NIC, SBI, whatever. It will be good, helpful for you. And you can apply the coupon. The coupon is limited period offer. It will be for the first week of January only. That is Success 2025. success then hyphen 2025. If you are applying this coupon, you will get 25% SUEECSS. Then you will get 25% discount. Okay. If you want to join, you can join here to start your new learning with me with full of strategy, teaching, united dedication, and ultimate goal is your success. This is our target. Our target is always to focus on strategy, teaching, united dedication with me and my team, those who are working behind me, and some educators like, you know, Showman sir is there, my Gurudev is there with me, the united dedications, and your success is ultimately our target. So you can join this class. It will be definitely beneficial for you to mastering computer science. The course name is Mastering Computer Science. You can understand, you will be the master of computer science. Thank you. Bye. See you again tomorrow. Happy New Year. It's really a good New Year. Start is good. I am so happy. I hope you are also happy. Stay healthy. Be healthy in this upcoming 4 days. Do proper learning with strategy properly. Focus on your... See that whenever you are focusing, you can do anything. Last 3 hours, how many concepts you learned? So many things you learned, right? So many practice. So ultimately, quality investment is required. Quality investment is required. Invest properly quality time and proper way in proper direction so that you can get the success. Yes. Chalo, bye. See you again tomorrow. Good night.